Okay, this is part 2 of worksheet 04, Triangle Congruence Check for Understanding, and we are going to look at questions 4, 5, and 6, okay? So let's look at question 4. Again, look at what is given, okay? So we see that there are, okay, two congruent angles, okay? It's already given, see? One stroke here, one stroke here. That means those two angles are congruent, okay? And then what else is given? Ooh, one stroke here, one stroke here, okay? So that means that those two segments or two sides are congruent. So let's put it down already, okay? So angle EAB is congruent to angle, okay, let me just trace that, angle EAB. Because remember, the middle letter is where the angle is made, where the two lines meet, and it meets in A, okay? So angle EAB is congruent to angle BDC, because BDC, D is where the angle is made, see? Where the two lines meet. So congruent to angle BDC, and the reason is it's given. Okay? It's given. Next, line EB is congruent to line BC. Okay? Line EB is congruent to line BC. Why? Because there is one stroke, so that means they are congruent. Okay? And the reason is, again, it's given. Okay? Now, we're missing something because remember, the angle theorems. Side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, RHS. We're missing something. Okay? Now, we cannot use this line because there's nothing that's saying that these two are congruent. We cannot use this side because there's no stroke saying it's congruent. So what is left? This one. And look at this one. Do you remember? X-Men from transversals. Okay, so that's why your transversals are very important. Okay? Because if you look at this, we know that these two angles, so I'll put it two strokes because there's one stroke being used here. Those two angles are congruent. Okay? Why are they congruent? Okay? These two are congruent. Why? Because angle, okay? Angle ABE, again, B is the middle because that's where the angle is formed, okay? Angle ABE is congruent to angle CBD, okay? That's where the angle is formed, that's where the 2 points meet, okay? Angle CBD. And the reason is, remember, transversals, they are vertical angles. And we know vertical angles are equal. Okay? So what do we have now? We have an angle, we have an angle, and we have a side. So let's see, what do we have? Angle, angle, side. Okay? Not side, angle, side. Nope, nope. Nope. Yes. Angle, angle, side. So, is triangle ABE congruent to triangle CBD? Yes. And what's the reason? Angle, angle, side. Okay? Angle, angle, side. It needs to follow the order of the theorem. Okay? So question 5. Oh, this one is kind of easy because there are 3 givens already. Okay? So look at that. One stroke, one stroke. Those two angles are congruent. Okay? Now look at this one. one stroke, two strokes and two strokes. So those two angles are congruent. And look at this, one stroke, one stroke. That means those lines or sides are congruent. So let's write down our statement, okay? So let's start with this angle, okay? Remember, CAB. Why A is in the middle? Because that's where the lines meet and that's where the angle is made, okay? CAB is congruent to angle DFE, okay? Where the lines meet, where the angle is made, okay? To angle DFE, and the reason is it's given, okay? Next, angle ABC. See, that's where the angle is made, okay? Angle ABC is congruent to angle DEF. The middle letter is where the angle is made, okay? Okay, angle DEF. And the reason is it's given, okay? And then the last one. There you go. Line AC is congruent to line DF, okay? Line AC is congruent to line DF, and the reason is given, okay? And so, is triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF? Okay, let's check. We have an angle, we have an angle, we have a side, okay? Side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, and then RHS. Sorry to keep on singing this song. I will sing it until you cannot sleep because it's stuck in your head. Okay, so which one? Let's take a look. Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. So are those triangles congruent? Yes. What is the reason? Angle, angle, side. Okay, angle, 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 side. Okay? Next, question 6. Okay, let's look at this. We have congruent sides. Okay? We have congruent angles. Okay? So let's make a statement about that. Line AB is congruent to line AD. It's given. Okay? It's given. There you go. This line is congruent to this line. Why? Because it has the strokes. It's already said in the diagram. Okay? Next, angle BAC. Okay? The middle letter is A because that's where the lines meet and the angle is made. Angle BAC is congruent to angle DAC. Again, why is A the middle? Because in this angle, that's where the lines meet, okay? DAC, and the reason is given, okay? Now, remember, we have side, angle, side, 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 angle, 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 side, RHS. We miss one more. We need one more, okay? And what we cannot say that these two lines are congruent because there are no strokes. There are no strokes over here. There are no strokes over there. So what is the only thing left? You have to think. Is it reflexive, bisector, or midpoint? So there are two triangles. We have triangle ABC and we have triangle ACD. And what do they share? They share a line. They share a side. Okay? And because of that, that shared side, remember, shared side, okay? What property is that? If they share a side, It is congruent because of the reflexive property, okay? So, line AC is congruent to line AC because of the reflective property. So I can put 2 strokes over there, okay? So, the $64 million question is triangle ABC congruent to triangle ACD? Let's check. What do we have? We have a side, we have an angle, and we have another side. So is it? Okay. Yes. Why? Because of side angle side theorem. Okay. Side angle side. Okay, I will continue the last 3 questions in the third video.